Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could fix an SD card which is not showing when plugged to your computer. To fix the SD card, let's open our PC shortcut to see. So as you can see, I have here an SD card, but it's not showing. If you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11, then this method will work for you. Go to your search tab and type create and format hard disk partitions. Click on the application to open and wait for a few seconds to up to 1 minute until all the disks available are loaded. Next step, you need to locate your concerned SD card. Let's go back to the PC shortcuts. Here I have it under the letter X, and here it shows under X, and it says unlocated. Please note, when your SD card is in this stage, all the data has been lost and it's not possible to recover it. And also, the further format will make it even more impossible to recover. So this method is only to allow you to fix and reuse the SD card as like it was newly bought. If you are looking to recover the data, please don't use this method and look for another way to fix it somewhere else. Let's continue. So click with the right button of the mouse inside, new simple volume, next, next, next. I will just give it the letter X again, or I will name it Y. Next, quick format, and I will name it SD card again, F8032. Next, finish. And you will need to wait a few seconds. It will format and the SD card will be as like newly bought and you can use it. As you can see, I have it here and it's fully usable and I can use it in my phone or even in my laptop. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.